second graders. Mrs. Hurst here and Mrs. Peters.
Hi.
Today we're reading a book called Plant Plumbing, a book about roots and stems for our science unit. Plant Plumbing, a book about roots and stems. Plant parts. Take a close look at a plant. Bright flowers and green leaves catch your eyes. Look again. What does the plant stem look like? Can you see any roots? Roots and stems are important plant parts too. Under the ground. When a seed sprouts, the roots grow first. Roots are hard at work under the ground. Roots have 4 jobs. Roots help keep the plant in the ground. Roots soak up water and nutrients in the soil. And roots help hold up the plant. Roots store food for the plant to use. That's a lot of jobs for roots. They are important parts of a plant, don't you think?
I think so.
Roots do their jobs best in loose, crumbly soil. Loose soil has lots of holes. The holes hold air and water that roots need to stay healthy. Loose soil lets roots spread out and grow strong. Some roots store high energy food. The food that helps the plant grow can help you grow too. So some roots you dig to eat are things like carrots, radishes, turnips, and beets. Well, you always dig roots, but some of them you eat. 2 kinds of roots. Some plants have a fat main root called a taproot. It grows straight down into the soil. A carrot is a good example of a taproot. It's big and fat and just one of them, right? Some plants have stringy little roots that spread out under the ground. These roots do not have to go very deep to find what they need. They stay. What stems do. Once the roots take hold in the ground, a seedling sprouts. The stem pushes up into the sunlight. The stem is part of the plant. It's the part of the plant that has leaves, buds, and nodes. A bud is the start of a leaf, a flower, or a branch. Buds are found at the ends of stems. They are also found at bulges along the stem, called nodes. You can see lots of buds right now on trees and plants. If you look outside, we see lots of buds in the springtime. Most stems grow up from the ground. Stems, called runners, trail along the ground. New plants take root from nodes along the runner. There's an example right here with the strawberry plants. The runners are here along the soil, and then the little nodes, you see them there? Are starting little new plants. Inside a stem. A stem is like a bundle of straws. Some straws carry food up the stem. Water and nutrients soaked up by the roots move up to the leaves. Some straws carry food down the stem. Food made in the leaves sent down to the roots. Sorry, let me try that again. Food made in the leaves gets sent down to the roots. So there's something I have to tell you that's not in the book, and that is that the leaves are the food makers for the plant. All sorts of stems. Some stems grow underground. Underground stems store food for the plant, just like roots do. A potato is an underground stem. Its eyes are the buds. Now that's a little tricky. I thought a potato might be a root, but it stems are soft and green. They can bend without breaking. Flowers, vegetables, and houseplants have soft stems. Some stems are woody and hard. They do not bend like soft stems do. A tree trunk is a big woody stem. Thick, hard stems that are not soft and flexible. A shoot is a baby stem with new leaves. A twig is a new stem with no leaves. And a branch is an old stem. In the fall, some plants stop making food and lose their leaves. Soft stems die, but the roots are still alive. Woody stems stand bare through the cold winter. In the spring, plants use food stored in the roots to start growing again. New soft stems grow up from the ground. Woody stems come to life. Green leaves and fat flower buds tell you winter is over. And that is a sign of spring. Okay, second graders, I hope you enjoyed the book on plant plumbing. See you next time. Bye. Bye, Mrs. Peters.
Bye.